Welcome to Solvetic, your channel to always learn technology easily. Below in the description, you will find useful links and commands we used in this video. Today in Solvetic, we will see how to fix error hard drive not showing up in PC. Chapter 1. Fix error hard drive not showing up in PC from Disk Manager. To get started, open File Explorer to review your current disks. Then right-click on the Start menu, click on Disk Management. After that, right-click on the hard drive that is not visible, select New Simple Volume. In the wizard, you must choose the amount of space to use, then remember to assign a letter for the disk. It is possible to assign a name. Click Finish. As you can see, the letter is automatically assigned to the hard drive. After that, check in the File Explorer to make sure the disk is visible. Chapter 2. Fix error hard drive not showing up in PC from console. To start, open File Explorer to validate the current disks. Now in the search box, enter CMD, click Run as Administrator, click Yes to access. First, enter the command disk part to open the utility. Then list the volumes, run list volume. After that, select the volume to modify, execute, select volume number. When you have selected it, assign a letter, execute, assign letter, press enter. The change will be made automatically. Check in File Explorer that the disk is visible. Hey, remember to subscribe Solvetic channel. We hope it has been helpful for you. Here are links to watch more videos of your interest and subscribe to the Solvetic channel. Thank you.